If you ever dreamed of a luxurious lifestyle with panoramic water views, Lakeside Tower brings that vision to life. This exclusive Mediterranean-inspired 16-story high-rise overlooks Lake Grapevine and features just 48 private residences. Whether you're searching for a full-time home or a refined second residence, you'll find elegance and resort-style living at every turn. Enjoy 24/7 concierge service, valet parking, a rooftop resort-style pool with private cabanas, fitness center, on-site spa, guest suites, and even a putting green. Relax in the coffee lounge, entertain in the wine and club rooms, or enjoy a movie in the private screening room. Here, luxury meets lifestyle. Arrive directly into your private residence by secure elevator access and step into an open, sophisticated floor plan thoughtfully designed for modern living. Welcome to Unit 704. I'm so happy that you're here, and I cannot wait to show you this beautiful condo. This condo offers unmatched lifestyle both inside and out. For more information, give me a call or log on to janritchie.com. I'm Christine Goodwin, and I'll see you on our next home tour.